Hello, my name is Jeff Willard. I'm an arcade collector and restorer. I've got a Facebook page called Ozark Mountain Arcade. It highlights my restorations, so check it out if you get a chance. Today I'm going to show you how to install a control panel overlay. I get asked that quite a bit, so hopefully this will help some people out. To get started, you need your panel. Make sure you've sanded it and painted or powder coated it, and you've got a nice smooth surface. And you'll also need some blue painter's tape, a felt line squeegee, plastic squeegee, and a new box cutter or razor blade or X-Acto knife, whatever you want to use. And also a low level, low profile LED light. And I'll show you what that's for here in a moment. This is from Escape Pod, great quality. I've never once had one of their control panel overlays delaminate, which is fantastic. This is a nice fit and finish, so let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do is get your blue painter's tape, get a couple of nice sized pieces. Oh, I don't know, but 6 inches or so. This one is a little easier to do because it doesn't have to be wrapped around the edge, but I will show you what you'll need to do. If you do have holes, buttonholes, you can put this LED low level light underneath it and it'll shine through so you can line up your control panel overlay accordingly. Makes it really nice. Also put your tape, almost in the middle, maybe a little above. Get it lined up, bend it over, get it nice and secure over here as well. Okay, make sure it's not really going anywhere. That's nice and lined up. Looks pretty good. So what you'll want to do is peel off, 2 inches of the backing. What this is going to do is lock it in place. Get your squeegee ready, have your box cutter ready. Go ahead and get your backing peeled off. Sometimes it helps to have 2 people, but one person can do it easily. So, some person to hold this back. So hold it back. Just go ahead and cut about 2 inches off of your backing, like so. Carefully lean it forward. Make sure it hasn't moved any, which it hasn't. Okay, start from the inside, work out. Okay, we have it locked in place. So now what we can do is remove our painter's tape. And we can go ahead and lift, kind of like a hinge. Start peeling off your backing. Again, start from the inside, start smoothing it out. Making sure you don't get any bubbles. This is nice vinyl, so it generally doesn't have any bubbles. And if you do, you can kind of work them out anyway. So just peel off maybe a couple inches of the backing at a time, smooth it out. There was a couple of bubbles that just worked out. When you get to the edge, here's a neat little trick that I've learned over the years. Get it smoothed out. Go ahead and flip it over. Set it on your towel or whatever surface you'd like. And here's where you can get the rounded edge. Really, really nice. Pull it towards you and bend it down. It's nice and stuck on here. That's not going anywhere. And there you have it. Nice paperboy control panel overlay. You can trim it as needed with your X-Acto knife or box cutter, whatever you want to use, whatever you prefer. And there it is. Like I said, with a a control panel with buttons. It's a little bit more complicated with bins, but you can see if you use a low profile light from the back, backlights it nice, and you can line up your control panel overlay perfectly, get it locked in, and then install it and trim it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.